15 to 9:30. By 9:30, our workers meeting will start. And Sunday school is 10 o'clock. If workers come to church at 10 o'clock, you are late. That is what it is. Normal church service, Sunday school starts at 10 o'clock. And all our ushers, I want ushers and those that want to join the ushering department to listen to this. All ushers will be meeting. All ushers at the restoration assembly will be meeting tomorrow on is today. Immediately after the service. Please, it is very, very important. If you are not there, you are not you may have to explain yourself. Please, all ushers, because in the year 2012 we are going to do things differently. The Lord is taking us to higher level. Thank you. We've been doing it the same old way for 8 years, and the Lord says this is the time that is taking us to higher level. And that applies to all our Sunday school also. The Sunday school is taking a new turn in the year 2012. And in view of that, if you don't have the Sunday school manual, please have a copy. Because the mode that Sunday school will be taking now, you can't afford not to have your own copy. I will not say more than that until when we start implementing it. We are going to go in a different direction now from the year 2012. So Sunday school manual is $5. And we are lucky to have copies here. It was only yesterday that I realized that in the whole region, we are the only ones that still have copies. Melbourne has sent for us for copies from us. So if you need a copy, please see us $5. Our open heaven that we have been announcing have arrived. Those of us that booked. Please see us to pay because I think many people that didn't book want copies. And if by a certain date, if you don't pick it up, I think I will be justified to give to people that want to pick it. Please see me after the service to pick your copy of Open Heaven. They are there. And we need to account for it to the region. The region sent it to us. So, I think that is it for now. So, in the morning, because there are announcements here that concerns Restoration Assembly.